Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable faster scroll speed in TikTok. If you want to breeze through your TikTok feed with increased speed, we've got you covered. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. From the bottom drawer, tap on Profile to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on them to open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access the settings and privacy options. Step 5. Look for and tap on Accessibility within the Settings and Privacy menu. Step 6. Within the Accessibility settings, locate the option for faster scroll speed and enable it. By following these simple steps, you can enable faster scroll speed in TikTok, allowing you to browse through your favorite videos and content with increased efficiency. We hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your TikTok experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a faster scrolling experience on TikTok.